Hello guys, welcome back to another C++ programming. Today we'll discuss about pointer. And what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable that holds a memory address, and each variables is located in a specific locations inside your memory, and then this memory, and it's called the address of that pointer. So it's very important to understand pointer. Why? Because using pointer you can access your memory in and out, and then program at a low level, which dynamically it's allow you to create real-time applications. And this is very important. That's why C++ is one of the most important language to learn. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into it so we can get some example done here. All right, so we're creating here a new project. Go ahead and click project, click console, choose C++, and here just type pointer, and make sure that you have a directory where you can save your project, and click next. You do have a compiler, make sure you have a compiler here, and click finished. All right, so let's go ahead and define pointer here to start. All right, so a pointer is a variable that holds a memory address. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and run some project here. So what I will do here, I'll go ahead and create an integer call, let's say an integer call x. All right, so I'll initialize it to be 255. All right, and then this is the int variable. All right, now let's go ahead and create a pointer and assign. All right, so to assign pointer here, you have to add the star here, and this will allow you to create a pointer. So this is how you create a pointer. Let's say 55 here. All right, so this is a pointer variable that can point into the integer. All right, let me go ahead and delete this. All right, now let's go ahead and hold that memory for that pointer. So I want that pointer to hold the variable x. All right, so so basically I create a variable type int, and I assign 55, and I create a pointer that point to the integer. Now, and here this is a very important line because it allow you to show you that the pointer will hold the variable x here, and it will hold that variable. All right, so and then let's go ahead and see out our result here. All right, the address of the x is, let's go here, and I want that pointer and line. All right, so basically what will happen, the address of the variable 55 that was stored into the memory, and this will print the address of that variable, and which is x assigned to 55, which is the number. All right, so let's go ahead and return that, and it will give you the address. All right, see, the address of x is, this is where the variable x that you initialize to be 55, that's where it is located inside your memory. So this is very important. Let's go ahead and see if we can return the value. All right, the value of x is and I just want the value of x, so that was x. Alright, run. Let's close this. Alright, what's going on here? Alright, so value of x, alright, so everything is working fine here. What's going on? Already made that. Interesting. Let's see here what's going on to the log file. Error. Oh, I couldn't even see that. Everything is working fine. I couldn't see that. Alright, so let's see here. Alright, so that's the value and that's the memory address. Now let's say here if we change to be 5 and see if they give us the same location. Alright, so it's still the same location. Now let's say here if I create another variable, so int variable, so int y equal, let's say 6, and I want to point this to variable of y, and then actually I'll create another pointer 2. Alright, so now since we created a pointer 2, let's go ahead and hold that pointer also. So pointer 2 and hold the memory. Alright, so let's go ahead and run that. Alright, so that's the location of the memory y. Alright, great. Let's go ahead and delete this and create a fun project here. Alright, so today we'll create a pointer and an array. Alright, so I'll go ahead and create constant int here, and this will be the size of my array, and I'll initialize to be 10, size to be 10 here. Alright, so here I'll set my array to be a set of, equal the set of numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so I'll initialize here my pointer, call it my pointer. Alright, so let's set my pointer to be equal to my array. Alright, so my pointer is equal to my array. Alright, so everything is working fine here. Let's go ahead and print the number in number of arrays, the number of elements in arrays in my array. Alright, And in this case I will use the for loop. Remember we did the for loop earlier. Alright, so inside the for loop it will be you initialize the starting point, so int start equals 0, and then my start has to be equal to the size of the array, and then I need to increment it, which is alright. Now let's go ahead and print my screen my pointer. Excuse me. Alright, so my pointer. Alright, so everything's working fine here, and let's go ahead and decrement the value of it. The number of element backward value alright, so I'll create a for loop here. In start 0, start has to be less than the size my array, and we increment alright, so let's go ahead, and then I want my pointer and then let's print my pointer here in backward. Alright, so and then I have to return 0. Alright, so here what I did, I created the array with the element, and I created a pointer type int here. Now so this pointer will be replaced by the number of arrays, and then the number of elements in my arrays will be the first element here, and will be printed. So it will start with this, it will print it until the end of the arrays, which is the test. Alright, and then the number of elements backwards, so you will start with 0, and then I will go all the way to 10, and my pointer, which is equal to my array, which will start at 10, 9, 8. Alright, let's go ahead and run this program here and see what we have. Alright, again I'm having this issue always. Alright, let's see here what happened. Alright, let me click close it and run this again. Alright, so basically here something's wrong. Oh, I see what happened here. Alright, so first of all here I do see here this should be the printout of my pointer, not what's displayed on the screen. Like that. And here instead of printing this, alright, and I have 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so I have to do this. All right, so let's go ahead and run this now. All right, come on, my pointer should be the same here. All right, and then all right, so guys, looking some my pointer also, this should be M, and this should do it now. All right, so basically what happened, and the number of elements in array, it was printed 1 to 10, and then the number of elements was printing from 1 to 10. All right, so we have our array here, printing forward and printing backward. All right, so this is an additional operation. You can also do this equals my pointer plus 1. All right, so that's another way to do it. Equal my pointer minus 1. All right, so let's go ahead and save that here. My pointer. All right, so when you run it, so you print 1 all the way to 10, and then you print back again. So that's the same way you can write it. All right, so and thank you so much for this tutorial, and I hope it was not too long. If you have any other questions, and this is how you use pointer. As I mentioned again, pointers are very important in C++ languages, and it allows you to access dynamically your memory and locations where the variable is stored into, and by using pointer you can access the low level programming level by playing with binary numbers, and this is very important. All right, so thanks so much for your time here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right guys, bye.